Hello, everyone. David Thurman from Mortgage Choice in Barrick. It is Tuesday, the 6th of September, and the Reserve Bank has just increased interest rates yet again by 0.5%. This is the fifth rate rise in a row that we've seen. If we think back to May of this year, the cash rate was sitting at 0.1%, and the cash rate's now at 2.35%. So we've seen a whopping 2.25% increase over a very short amount of time. Which would be a massive shock to the system for a few of us. It doesn't look like the pain is over just yet with interest rates. Experts are predicting another 1% rate rise between now and Christmas. So it's likely that we'll see one or two more bumps in the coming months. All right, so be prepared for that. As I've said over the last few videos, the best thing that you can do, the easiest thing that you can do to offset these interest rate rises is to try and get the best rate possible. All right. And you start by renegotiating with your existing lender. And if that doesn't work, then you look at refinancing. There's a lot of competition in the market right now. Banks are desperate to win business, and they're offering great rates, and they're offering cash back as well. Some banks are offering up to $4,000, some even $6,000 to win your business, depending on the size of the loan. All right. So if you're thinking of refinancing, then I'd suggest you jump on it now and try and get the best rate possible to offset these rises. There will be a fair few of you that are starting to experience some financial strife. And if that's the case, then I'd love for you to give us a call straight away so that we can talk through what you're experiencing and try and find ways to improve your situation. Obviously, refinancing and getting a better rate is a good start, but there are some other ways that we could potentially look to free up cash flow. One of the easier ways is to do debt consolidation. So if you've got car loans or credit cards or personal loans, it's likely that you're spending a fair bit each month to pay those back. And if we could take that debt and spread it out on your home loan, then it will give you a smaller required repayment, right? And just makes it a bit easier financially to get by. So if you find yourself in strife, don't leave it too late. Give us a call and we'll talk through your options and see if there's a way that we could help you out. While the drastic increase in interest rate rises would be a massive shock to the system for a lot of us, if we keep things in perspective and if we zoom out and look at interest rates over the last 20 years, we're still relatively low historically, interest rate wise. So I don't see this as doom and gloom. I see these interest rate rises as just us returning to normal, us coming out of the COVID emergency level interest rates that we needed while our economy was turned off, and basically we're just returning to normal now. The property market seems to be doing okay. We're coming into the spring campaign season, and it looks like there's a fair bit of activity going on. Still plenty of clients are purchasing, and from all reports, it looks like it's still quite competitive out there. I'm still quite confident around the property market, especially with the government talking about immigration being increased and the government trying to bring in between 250 and 300,000 people each year. Those people need a place to live, and they'll be looking to buy into the property market, or they'll be looking to rent somewhere. So either way, it's going to stimulate the property market, and I don't see us having any significant downturns, even with interest rates going up, but time will tell. Speaking of purchasing property, we have a webinar coming up on the 20th of September at 7:30. I believe it's a Tuesday evening around upgrading your family home. One of the most difficult financial tasks that you can put for yourself is to upgrade your family home, because it's not just the purchase that you're looking to accomplish, you're also trying to sell your property. And there's a lot to that whole process. All right. So during the webinar, we'll talk about a number of things, looking at the order in which you buy and sell, the timing in which you do it. Can you do bridging finance? Can you do simultaneous settlement? Where you come up with a cash deposit? So all the main issues that you would cover or that you would go through when you're upgrading your family home, we will discuss those in the webinar. And we'll include just below this email or just below this video a link if you would like to register to that. Thanks for your time today. Hopefully all is going well with everyone. Again, if you've got financial strife or if these interest rate rises have you a bit concerned, pick up the phone and give us a call, and let's get a meeting booked in so we can work through potentially how we can help you out. But all the best to everyone, and yeah, speak soon. Thank you.